Hello friends, to make this tasty and cheesy roast eggplant recipe, you will need one big eggplant or aubergine or brinjal. Cut it into thin slices and soak it for 10 minutes in salted water. This will remove any bitterness that is there in the brinjal. Now make a spice mix with 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt according to your taste, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply some oil on your roasting dish and then apply the spice mixture to the thinly cut slices of the brinjal. Now apply some oil on the upper layer of the eggplant pieces. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then place your roasting tray in the oven and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. Later we will be increasing the temperature for better roasting and crispy texture. You can also roast your eggplant on a pan, preferably a non-stick pan, using a bit of oil and then frying these eggplant pieces on a high flame. Add grated cheddar cheese on the roasted eggplant pieces and cover for 2 minutes. Now increase the temperature of your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. This will ensure a crispy texture and enable faster roasting of the eggplant pieces. After 5 minutes, check on your oven and remove the tray. Now flip over the pieces of the eggplant and apply some more oil with the help of a brush or a teaspoon on the upper layer or flipped layer of the eggplant pieces. Now add grated cheese and then bake it for 3 to 4 minutes and enjoy this tasty and cheesy eggplant roast.